This is pretty much what I'm wearing. I'm just gonna wear a white shirt, white button up, and I've got some black jeans on. Don't look at the mess down there. And I think I would love to, if it wasn't the circumstances that we're in, I would have loved to put on like a beautiful red lip, you know, just to give it a little pop and bring it to life. I'm wearing my Love earrings by Ana Luisa Jewelry, and all of my necklaces are by Ana Luisa. Wedding ring. I do have a new bracelet by Italo Jewelry. If you can see that, it is super, super gorgeous. It's like a tennis bracelet. Those aren't diamonds, those are sapphires, and I absolutely love them. And then I did pick this ring up from them as well, or actually they sent it over for review. You guys stop looking at my hands. I already told you I definitely need some lotion, so I am going to get some lotion on, and then we are gonna head out. I just love a nice skirt. This shirt got really big. I mean, well, it's my first time wearing it. This is from H&M. I just picked it up in the basic section. I've got a medium, but it kind of feels kind of big. It's okay. I have a sweater or a poncho that I'm gonna layer over it, so you're probably not gonna see it. And then I'm just gonna wear my Balmain boots, and I should be good because I don't want to walk in heels. We're gonna be doing a lot of walking, and I just don't want to be walking in heels. So this is the look for today. If I can get a full OOTD, you know I will, but I'll probably forget, but I will try and get one. That is it for now. I'll talk to you guys soon. My hair is looking really, really black. Oh, I love it. I love jet black hair. It is so sleek and so sexy. Okay, seriously, you guys, I have to go. Bye. Oh, that was so much work to get all this stuff in the car. Gosh, I had to make sure I have my shades ready. You guys, these shades right here, okay, they're doing a little bit of the most, but yeah. Okay, so let's go. Yourself. A merry little Christmas night. And have yourself a merry little Christmas.
Masculine side, it smells more like leather.
Oh, it does. It gives off that leather note. Oh my gosh, let me see. Yeah, oh, but it's good. See, I like that.
Yeah, no,
some
like
people
it.
would maybe be afraid, but oh god, it's good.
It's beautiful.
Oh.
I'll give you a sample of that. We have it actually. I had it ready for you. And then, which one haven't you tried?
You are basically the gloves, okay? And then you keep everything.
No, she's our boss.
Yeah, without you.
We have cardboard.
Ooh, fancy though. Fancy.
Oh, I was going to give you a sample of code, the Lucy too.
Oh, yes, yes, yes. So dark in here. I'm back. We are back. I made it safely there and safely back. Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back. I am back. Good to see you. I made it there and I made it back, you guys, and I had an amazing time. I did vlog the whole thing. I got to smell some of my favorite fragrances. Of course, I went to, probably guessed it, if you're not following me on Instagram, hello, what are you doing with your life? Make sure you connect with me over there. So I did get, ta-da, yours truly, her favorite, absolutely. Every year, I like to go to Chanel and pick up a few things from the holiday collection, and so today was no different. So I was super excited, or I should say this year was no different. You guys, every time I wear red lip, hold on a second. Every time I wear red lip, I just feel like I have lipstick all over my teeth. In this last video that I filmed, I can't remember when it was, but I did have lipstick on my teeth. But anyways, and I need to hydrate. I need to go take a shower, take this makeup off. It's been on way too long, and you guys, my skin is breaking out so bad. Oh my god, girl, can you focus on what you were saying? Anyways, yes, stay tuned. Let me tell you about this giveaway that I have going on, but let me get a thumbnail. What happened? Oh, I told you guys, my skin is breaking out. Like, all right here, you guys, it's bad. It's really bad, okay? All here, it's totally red. It's breaking out. She says it's something. I thought it was eczema. It wasn't eczema. The shirt is like huge, girl. Your shirt is coming off. Anyways, it's not eczema. It's something else. So I don't know. So pray for my skin as I pray for it. Anyways, yeah, so I did pick up something. Now to my Chanel giveaway. You guys are so amazing, and I love my community, and I believe that this time of year is even, what I'm trying to say. It's such a blessing to be able to give any time of year, but I believe this time of year you can really add a little bit of holiday cheer to someone's life. So I do want to do a giveaway and give back to my community. So I will be doing a giveaway. I'm not going to announce on what video I'm doing it on. You just have to watch all fragrance videos, 12 days of fragrance on the channel to find out which one. And I will be gifting you with a fragrance from Chanel, and it is one of my absolute favorite fragrances. That's all I'm going to tell you. That's all I'm going to say. But I definitely want to spread a little holiday cheer and give back to everyone the best way that I can. There may be one giveaway, there may be two, there may be three, there may be four. I mean, I don't know, okay? I'm just saying. The man upstairs has been better than good to me. So I want to be able to be a blessing and give back to someone else. Girl, do not start preaching. Anyways, you guys, this was the look. No, I didn't get a full OOTD. I wore a classic button up. I love this cape coat. I picked it up last year at Zara. I told you guys that. I put my Chanel brooch on it just to give it that classic appeal because I was going into Chanel, darling. And so, you know, I wanted to give the thrills and feels of the whole event. Anyways, I was the only one in the store. I almost like... I tell you here, if you do not know how to act, you're not coming back. I was like the only one in the store, right? It was just like me. I felt so VIP, you know, she loves that. They couldn't serve crimpets and champagne and different things like that. That's just not where it's at. However, they were serving this water. I took it to go. I need to go hydrate. Definitely I need to hydrate. But anyways, yeah, that was it. It was really nice. I got some footage of it, so I'll let you guys see that. I'll tell you and share with you some of the things that I got. I was super excited. I love the Chanel ribbon around this time of year. I was going to try and get myself a little tree and decorate it in all Chanel ribbon. I said that last year too. It never happened. Look at how cute this is. Right? We'll be unboxing it, you guys. I am going to do a what I got for Christmas. So we'll be unboxing this together. But yeah, I got some stuff like that. You know, she got a ton of samples because I love samples. And then in here, I believe this is just all packaged up. So it's not even really worth taking out because it just looks like this. But the packaging, and it's black and gold. You know, I love black and gold. You know, I love those double C's. Oh my God, double C, double C. Chanel, Chanel, Chanel. Okay. Pop Smoke. And then I did get a couple more samples in here. I am getting ready to buy something from Coco Noir that's really, really special. I cannot wait to share with you guys. Come back and I will let you know. But this is what I got today. So I have some other stuff that I got. I picked up some candles. I picked up a little bit of makeup. I picked up some nail polish. A lot of stuff from their, what is it, limited edition collection or holiday collection, what have you. They probably won't have it back in stock. And then I did get this stuff from Amazon, but I need to go unbox it and open it. But yeah, today's been a good day. I was super excited to get out and go for a drive. That's always a good idea. Ooh, this light is making me look. I'm not feeling it. It's just really bright. It's making me look a little washed out. But you know. Oh, I'm so glad I got these so I can share this with you guys. You guys, hold on. I have something to share with you. Give me 2.5 seconds. Okay, that's a little bit better. Although, it's a little bit better. Anyways, let me share this with you guys. I picked these up from Amazon. When I went to get my hair done a couple weeks ago, my hairstylist had this. And I was like, how are you able to speak so clearly through the mask? I'm able to make out every word you're saying. And she was like, girl, it's face guards. And I'm like, who? What? You know, she doesn't like to be out of a movement. She goes, face guards. And I go, I have no idea. She showed them to me. I came home and ordered them. You guys, these are them. Allow me to demonstrate them for you. I ordered them off Amazon. You can get like 10, 12, 16, however many. They're very cheap. They're under like $20. I think I got, however, 6 of them. And I think it was like $10 or something like that. So here's what it is. And I brought 2 masks to share with you. So you see how I have my lipstick on, right? Demonstration purposes. Ooh, an infomercial. Here I go. Okay, so you see I have my lipstick on, right? You take the mouth guard and you just put it here. If you notice, this is not touching my lips. See, watch this. Ooh, ooh, ooh. It's not gonna be there. See? It never got on my lips. So if you wanted to wear lipstick through the mask, because party season is coming up, perhaps you want to keep your lipstick smudge proof because you're going to take a picture. The lipstick that I'm wearing today is by Chanel. It is a Chanel Rouge. I'll put it in the comments. I'll put it in the description box. But anyways, say you wanted to wear your red lipstick, your bow lipstick, your party lipstick. This would be a great way. So you put this on and then you go ahead. This is a mask that I wore today, you guys. One of you gifted this to me. I don't know which one. And then you go ahead and put this on here. Oh, okay. And my lipstick is not being touched. It's not being smudged. Of course, you can tell that I have something over my face, but it's very comfortable, able to breathe. I'm able to speak clearly. I don't know. I hope you can understand me. If you can understand me, hit a thumbs up. If you can't understand me, hit the subscribe button. If you would love to understand me, hit the like button. Whatever you do, just hit a button. But this was a vibe for today, darling. You see this? You see? And it was like this. Oh, I look tired. I need to go to bed. That will never happen. I hate sleep. But this is the look. And if you take it off, you've seen that there, right? There is no lipstick on the thing. So these are really good. I highly recommend them. I try to share, you know, sharing is caring, but that is it, you guys. I am going to hydrate. I am going to unbox some of these boxes that I got from Amazon. Every day I come home, or every day the mailbox or the doorbell goes off or the ring goes off, whatever, you guys, it's Amazon, okay? If anybody else is having a problem just ordering, it's just so easy. It's right there. You're already surfing online. You're like, oh yeah, I need one of those. The other day, you guys, look what I ordered. I mean, why? A letter opener. It's bad. It's bad. I was like, oh, a letter opener. I seen somebody opening a letter on TV, and they had probably on the haves and the have-nots, and they had a letter opener. And so I go on Amazon. I'm like, oh, I need a letter opener. Sure enough, there it was right there. So I got this letter opener. It's just a mess. Don't go on Amazon. It's not sane. It's not good. Anyways, that is it, you guys. I am going. Thanks for watching the video. More to come. More home vlogs to come. So my home vlogs are kind of venturing out a little bit, but it's not going to be really. It's basically going to be predominantly in the home. So I'm going to continue to call them home vlogs, I should say. And we're just going to go from there. So I will talk to you guys in the next video. Until next time, you already know. Be blessed. Stay fit. Stay fabulous, but more than anything else, wear your mask and stay safe. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.